Hey guys, if your Intel Wireless AC9560 adapter is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching, as in this video, I'm going to share with you the steps you need to take to fix your network connection. So the very first thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu, and you're going to search for Services and tap on the Services tab. Inside of this list, we need to scroll all the way down till we find a service called WLAN AutoConfig. And once you've located it, just double click on the file and make sure the startup type is set to automatic and make sure server status is set to running. We can then press OK. And you need to right click on this and select Restart. You can then head out of this window and we're going to come back to the Start menu and this time search for CMD. Then right click on Command Prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of here you need to type in net sh space IMT space IP space reset and hit enter. Then type in net sh space winsock space reset and hit enter once more. Then type in ipconfig / release and hit enter, and then we need to type in ipconfig / renew and hit enter. And the last thing you need to type in is ipconfig / flush DNS and hit enter. And once you've done that, you can close out of this window and you'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Once your computer's turned back on, if you're still experiencing the issue, the next thing we need to do is come to our Start menu and search for Settings, then come over to Settings, and from the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to Windows Update, and press this Check for Updates button just to ensure you're running the latest version of software, as sometimes outdated software can also cause issues. So once you've ensured that you're running the latest version of Windows, then come into Network and Internet from the left hand, scroll all the way down to Advanced Network Settings, come down once more and you should see an option for Network Reset, and then we're just going to go ahead and press Reset now. Now if you've tried all those steps and that's still not working, the very last thing we can do is head over to your Start menu and you need to search for Device Manager, and then tap on the Device Manager tab. Now inside of these list items you need to come down to Network Adapters and expand this tab, and inside of this list you should see your Wi-Fi adapter. Mine's this Intel Wi-Fi 1 here, and you need to right click on your adapter and come into Update Driver, and we're going to select Browse My Computer for drivers and then press Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and you just need to select whatever driver you're using and then press on Next. And as you can see, it's now updated the driver for me and we can close out of this window. And the last thing you can do here is once again right click on your driver, come into Disable Device, just press Yes if this message pops up, and then we're going to re-enable the device by right clicking again and just selecting Enable Device. And there we have it guys, that should have fixed any network issues you're having on your Windows 11 computer. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.